today, and I'm going to show you how to make a really cheap techdeck grinding reel. Let's go! And now you got to go ask your mom and dad to see if they have some old wood laying around, and it has to be flat so your techdeck can roll on it. And then you can go get some cabinet handles, and we just had these laying around. So let's go build. First, we got to unbox it. There's one bar. There's two. For the first couple steps, I'm going to videotape my dad cutting this wood. Now I'm going to tell my dad where I want this wood to be cut. I think about right there. Does that look good? Comment down below. Now I'm going to make it a straight line for my dad to cut. That looks good. Okay guys, I had a little bit of change of plans and I wanted the platform to be a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna do it now. About right there. Now that looks straight and way better. Now it's time to sand it down. Safety first. Mark these holes about 3 inches apart. Looks good. Now we're going to drill the holes, but safety first. And I got my gloves on. There. Looks nice and clean. We got our holes drilled. Now we're going to see if the rails fit. Okay, that one fits. That one fits. It looks cool, but it'll look better with spray paint. Now we're going to spray paint it yellow. I think it's going to need a second coat, so stay tuned to the end. Hey guys, I found some red spray paint, and now we're going to jazz it up a little bit. Okay, now it's good. We found some orange, and now we're gonna make it look cooler. Now it looks cool. Now it's time for the clear coat. Okay, I think it's done. Hey guys, we finished spray painting it and it looks really cool. And now we're gonna put on some rails. Right here. Still a little wet, so we gotta be careful. But the back side doesn't really matter because you don't see that. I like the front side the most. We did a few mistakes right there. That's as tight as I can get with my fingers. Now I'm gonna use a screwdriver. Okay, now it's time for the other side. And make sure to subscribe. And if you're wondering where I get all my tech decks, you can get them at Walmart or Target. Okay. Sturdy. I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to ride it. I can't even hop it. Hey guys, it's the next day and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna do some new tricks on this tech deck. It's really cool. I got it like a couple days ago. And it's like really cool. Okay. Swing it back. So it's really cool. And if you have some old wood laying around or some old handles, you should go make it. It's really cool. And you don't have to spray paint it. I just did that for fun. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!